The word kin is used for someone who is a member of your family or is a relative of yours. We use the word kin to refer to anyone जो आपसे related है. वो रिलेशन ब्लड रिलेशन भी हो सकता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल योर कजन्स आर योर किन. वो रिलेशन मैरिज का भी हो सकता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल योर ब्रदर इन लॉ, आपका साला भी आपका किन है. दैट्स द प्राइमरी मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड किन. Kin is family. Back in ancient times, when people lived in tribes, when people lived in clans, anyone who was member of your tribe or member of your clan was family to you. So that's the secondary meaning of the word kin. Someone who belongs to the same clan. Let's have a clipping here.
We grew up on tales of the mountain. Tales you told us. You cannot take that away from him.
Philly.
I will carry him if I must.
One day you will be king and you will understand. I cannot risk the fate of this quest for the sake of one dwarf. Not even my own kin.
I cannot risk the fate of this quest for the sake of one dwarf, not even my own kin. मैं इस अभियान की आउटकम को, रिजल्ट को एक ड्रॉफ के लिए खतरे में नहीं डाल सकता, फिर वो चाहे मेरा अपना ही भाई क्यों ना हो. अभियान is quest. We use the word quest in a situation where you are on a mission or you are on a journey for searching something of value. So उनका किंग कहता है कि मैं इस क्वेस्ट को, इस अभियान को एक ड्रॉफ के लिए खतरे में नहीं डाल सकता, not even my own kin, not even my own family member. So kin is family. Hopefully we are getting the meaning here. Another usage, the family party would only include kin. No friends were invited. So पार्टी में सिर्फ रिश्तेदार ही बुलाए गए हैं, फ्रेंड्स को नहीं बुलाया गया. We also have the phrase Kith and Kin, which again means people who are connected with you, especially your family relations. For example, after he became the Chief Minister of Punjab, he distributed all important positions in his Kith and Kin. Hopefully, we are getting the meaning here. From the word kin, we also get the word kinship. Kinship is family-like. Kinship is the feeling of family. It is the feeling of being closely related to someone. For example, the sense of kinship between two men is surprising. So, उन दोनों के बीच family-like relation है या फिर काफी भाईचारा है. Another usage, he feels a strong kinship with other survivors of the war. Another usage, even after meeting only once, they felt a kinship. Hopefully, we are getting the meaning here. A synonym for the word kin is the word kindred. That's the primary meaning of the word kindred. The word kindred is also used for things that are similar in quality or character. For example, almost half of the total population of India is directly or indirectly engaged in agriculture and kindred occupations. So इंडिया की ऑलमोस्ट आधी पॉपुलेशन एग्रीकल्चर या उससे रिलेटेड कामों में इन्वॉल्व है. Kindred, similar in quality. Another usage, he loved reading philosophy, Greek history and books on kindred subjects, books on related subjects. Hopefully we are getting the meaning here. We also have the phrase kindred spirit. We use the phrase kindred spirit for someone whose interests or attitudes are similar to your own. So, someone with same interest or same attitude or same mindset as yours, we call that person as a kindred spirit.
I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my seat, boy. Know that they ride or die.